Remember, we have y2 minus y1 and then x2 minus x1. So here's the 2 and here's the 1. So this is y1 and y2. So we got 4 minus 6 over, so we got x2, x1. 3 minus a negative 2. There you go. Well, 4 minus 6, that's going to be negative 2. And 3 minus a minus 2, this here turns into a plus. So that's going to give me 5. And that is the answer. Boom. Yay. Yay me. We did it. All right. Now we're almost done. Yay. I'm even more excited about this than anything else. So, rate of change. I put a little hint there. Remember, it's the slope. All we're looking for is what did we go? So we made one deposit. So we went up 100 and to the right 1. Up 100 to the right 1. So 100 over 1. So your slope is going to be 100. Excuse me. That's all we did. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than that. 100 over 1. And go up again, 100. We're reading here on the side and down here at the bottom. So if you want to do the little staircase thing, you can do that too, because some of you like to do that. I'm not particularly a fan of it, but here's 100 going up and 1 to the right. So the slope is 100. Now, the values of the US dollar X and the foreign currency Y vary directly according to the formula Y equals 2.5X. How many units of foreign currency would someone receive in exchange for $150? Oh my God. Okay, so all you got to do is plug in 150 for this X. So this is going to be the dollars. Y is equal to 2.5 times 150. Dear Lord, I don't know what this is. Okay, 2 times 150 is 300, and half of this is 75, so this should be 375. And if it's not, then I'm sorry. So that would be your foreign currency. And I don't know if it's euros, if it's something else. I have no idea. Okay, almost done. Yay. What is the equation of the line that contains points 5, 3, and 9, 7? So you got to find the slope. Find slope. You could also plug the points in, but to me that's just more work. So this is y2, x2, y1, and x1. So we're going to use that same formula as we did earlier. So y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right. 7 minus 3 over 9 minus 5. And that's going to be... oh, dear Lord. Oh, dear Lord. Okay. So it's 4 over 4. You know what? One of these was supposed to be positive, and I made a poopy. So that's going to give you 1. Let's just make this one positive, okay? So let's not make it happy. So you would write it y equals 1x, and then plus or minus whatever. So here's going to be plus or minus whatever. This one is going to be your answer. Whichever one has that same slope. I made a mistake, which I generally do make at least one on every review. But that tells you at least the lady made it. Okay. Find the equation of the line that with the slope of -2 and a y-intercept of 2. Well, we have on the board or on the side by the window m equals -8 A over B. And then we have B is equal C divided by B. So you just go look. This is A, B, C, and this is A, B, C, and you figure it out for both of them. So here, negative A, so it's negative 2 over, so B is 4. Well, that already tells me that it's going to be negative 1/2, so it can't be this one. So when you try that one, it's negative 4 over 2, which equals negative 2. So this one's going to be your answer. So I think just doing the slope actually is going to give you the answer. All right, last one. Which of the following equations represents a line that is perpendicular to the y-axis and passes through this point? Okay, think about it. We have a point right now, and it's 6, 13. So let's say 6 is about right here, and 13 is all the way up there. This is my 13. And this is my 6. Now, it wants to be perpendicular to the y-axis. So we're going to look at this part. It wants to be perpendicular, so we actually have to go this way, because otherwise it doesn't make that 90-degree angle here. So it's your y that we're looking at. And if it would say on the x-axis, then you would go ahead and you would write on the x. But this one says the y-axis, so we're going to go with that one. All right. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed your video. And good luck.